welcome back to my channel. Getting straight into it, we're first gonna go ahead and get my hair wet so that it is in a workable state. For the flat twist, I part my hair, the section that I'm going to braid, and then I part that section into two different parts. So I take from each side while twisting and locking the hair together. I hope this tutorial on the twist, on the flat twist, is easy to follow, but if you guys found it a bit difficult, please do go ahead and let me know so I can do another video, a more detailed video for the flat twist that I'm doing in front. Quick reminder, always be generous with that moisturizer on your hair. At the back, I'm just going to go ahead and section the hair into sections and do normal twists because we only need the ends to be curled. The part on the scalp is not really necessary. I made most of the partings with my fingers and not with the comb or anything, so that it blends in together properly when it's time to style the hair. We don't need perfect sections because they create a separation when styling. That's the first part of styling my hair. So now we're just going to put on a head wrap and we're off to bed. The next morning, they say the hand is your best hair styling tool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen the sections that were braided together so we get a puffier and fuller look. Next, I went in with a comb and just combed the roots so we get it puffier. The puffier the better, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. So I have this edge brush and I'm going to be using beeswax to lay the same beeswax I used to lay my hair at the back and on the front and sides. I'm just going to go ahead and take some of it to lay down my edges. that for Style My Hair With Me final results. So if you've reached this part of the video, you do like your girl's content, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Check out the products that I use down in the description box, and follow me on my other social accounts at Adepreia Market everywhere you go.